Water is life. In this video, we will know the importance of water and different role water plays in our life. Water is present all around us, whether it's in soil, plants, or our own body. Did you know that body is made up of 50 to 60% water? It maintains body temperature and other bodily functions of all vital organs. In fact, we can survive without food for a week. However, without water, life would end in 72 hours. Precisely why we are unable to find life on other planets. The water that we consume for our human needs is just the fresh water available on Earth's surface. This is a renewable resource. To understand why water is life, let us watch a small video. We all know that 75% of Earth is water. So, is it enough to consider water is life? Not really. Did you know that like our own body, even the building blocks of our body has shape and structure? Yes, this shape and structure to the cell is because of water. Water is made of one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. These atoms combine to form a water molecule. The way water molecules are bonded or connected, it makes it easy for anything to dissolve in water. This makes it a good solvent. And it also helps plants absorb all the nutrients from the soil and transfer it to its different parts. With all this and more, water serves living beings' bodily requirements as well as environment's balance. Thus, we say that water is life. And not to forget, the best beverage in the world. So you freeze it to ice or warm and sip it. It will always remain most important component for surviving. Now that we have understood importance of water in our lives, let's know something more about most important resource for living. Some interesting facts about water are here for you. About 70% of water which is used in agricultural activities, 90% of this is used only in developing countries. You will be surprised to know that 10% of food we eat come from the crops cultivated with wastewater. Water is so deeply interconnected that whatever you throw into the ground, it goes into the water, and whatever you throw into the atmosphere up in the sky, it goes into the water again. And that water is poured on the soil as rain. And the most interesting fact is that we are only using 1% of available water on planet for all our human needs. Where do we use this 1% of resource available? Well, it is used for outdoor irrigation or indoor usage like bathing, cleaning, etc. However, what is concerning is the wastage that happens due to leakages. As much as we understand that water is life, we must know that life source needs to be cautiously so that our future generation can enjoy this as much as we did. On this note, let's summarize by remembering that we must use 1% of water that is used for human needs carefully and avoid all kinds of pollution so that fresh water stays safe for our future use too. Thank you and happy learning!